Good time class. In this video we are going to start chapter number 4, linear equation in two variables. Okay. So up to class 8 we have read or understand linear equation in one variables. Okay. Like the equation was ax plus b equals to c. Okay. Here a comma b comma c are constant and x is a variable. Okay, so how to solve this kind of equation we have understood in class 8. Okay, how to solve an equation in which two variables are there. So first of all, standard format. Standard format of linear equation two variables is ax plus by equals to c, or ax plus by plus c equals to 0, or we can say that it will be minus c because it was plus c there. Okay, or we can say it like this. Okay, class, now what we can do is we can take a positive also, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So constant can be negative and can be positive. It depends on the constant, that which constant we are using. So here a comma b comma c are constants and x comma y are variables. Okay, so listen class. In this linear equation one variable x was independent. Okay, its value does not depend on any other thing. But in linear equation two variables x and y are dependent on each other. If the value of one is increased, it means that the second value will be decreased or increased also. Like x plus y equals to 10. X plus y equals to 10. If x is 1, then y should be 9, so that both of them makes 10. If the value of x is increased, like 2, the value of y decreases. It will be 8 equals to 10. So they both are dependent on each other. Okay, so this was how to write an equation in two variables. Okay, if an equation is given like two x equals to 3y minus 5. Okay, and what we have to do is we have to write it in this form, ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So what we have to do is just take all the things on the left hand side and place 0 on right hand side. So we can rewrite it like this, or 2x, this 3y is negative on the positive on the right hand side. If we take it to the left hand side, what will be? It will be negative. Minus 3y. This is negative on the right hand side. If we take it to the left hand side, it will be positive. 2x minus 3y plus 5 equals to 0. This will be our final answer. Okay. Next is how to satisfy an equation. Like we are given the value of x and y. What we have to do is we have to just check that it satisfies it or not. Like an equation is given, x plus 2y equals to 9. X plus 2y equals to 9. We have to check that this point satisfies this or not. Okay, so let x is equal to 1 and y equals to 4. Okay, so this point satisfies this or not. What we have to do is just place x there and y there. So it will 1 plus 2 into 4 equals to 9. So 1 plus 8 equals to 9. So 9 equals to 9. It means that this point or this coordinate satisfies this equation. And if it is satisfying this equation, then it means that this point lie on this line. Okay. What is this? This is a linear equation, and every linear equation represents a line. Okay. So it means that this point lie on this line, the line which will be made by this. Okay. So how to satisfy an equation? What we have to do is just place x on x coordinate on with x and y coordinate on y. If LHS become RHS, then it means this point lie on the line which is made by this equation. Like another question, we have to check out that 9 comma minus 3 satisfy this line or not, or this equation or not. So what we have to do, place this at the place of x and place this minus 3 on the place of y. 2 into minus 3 equals to 9. Done. So it will be 9, 3 to the 6, minus 6 equals to 9, and 9 minus 6 is 3, which is not equal to 9. It means that this point does not lie on this given line. Okay. Third topic which we will study in this chapter is how to find solution of an equation. How to find 2, 3, 4 solution of an equation. Like an equation is given 2x plus y equals to 15. Okay. 2x plus y equals to 15. What we have to do is we have to find 4 coordinates or 4 points which will lie on this line, or we have to find 4 solution to this equation. So x, y, how many solutions we have to find? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So first is let x equals to 1. So if we place x equals to 1, what will be the value of y? So 2 multiplied by 1 plus y equals to 15. 2 multiplied by 1 is 2 plus y equals to 15. Y will be 15 minus 2 equals to 13. So the value of y will be 13. Okay. Next, I am placing x equals to 3. X equals to 3. So it will be 2 multiplied by 3 plus y equals to 15. So y equals to 15 minus 9. Y equals to 15 minus 9 is what? 6. So x equals to 3 and y equals to 6. What if we place x equals to minus 1? What if we place x equals to minus 1? Let x equals to minus 1. Done. So if x equals to minus 1, it will be 2 multiplied by minus 1 plus y equals to 15. 2 multiplied by minus 1 plus y equals to 15. So value of y will be y equals to 15. It will be 2 into minus 1 equals minus 2. Y equals to 15 plus 2. Y equals to 17. Okay. So y will be 17. If x is minus 1, this will be 17. Done. Next is let x equals to 30. Let x equals to 30. Okay. Done. What we have to do? We have to find the value of y. So if x equals to 30, so it will be 30 multiplied by 2 plus y equals to 15. Y equals to 15 minus 26. Okay. 15 minus 26. So y will be y equals to minus 11. Okay. If x equals to 13, y equals to minus 11. So the coordinate will be 1 comma 13, 3 comma 6, minus 1 comma 17 and 13 comma minus 11. These are the four coordinates which will lie on this given line.